Hi, this is Paul Thomas at Pittcon 2011 in Atlanta. Today I'm talking with Eric Bergles of BaySpec. Eric, thanks for being with us.
Thank you very much, Paul. It's our pleasure.
Eric, in the last year, your company has had a new product, a handheld spectrometer for materials analysis and ID. Tell us a little bit more about it.
Thank you. So our company is a 10-year-old company, and we are based in the Silicon Valley in California. We came out of the telecommunications industry, and so a lot of the components we use are telecom grade, very high reliability, very low cost, very ruggedized, and so they're ideal when configured for handheld test equipment that can be taken out of the lab into the production line or into the incoming raw material ID.
And of course, as you know, there are a couple other products out there on the market as well. So how are you distinguishing yourself among the growing field?
Right. Thanks. The way we differentiate ourselves would be first on our quality. So what you'll find with the telecommunications experience we have is the ability to make instruments that are highly repeatable. So you buy 1, 10, 50, or 100. They're all going to be in close alignment with each other. The second thing that we do is we're very flexible. So we have the Sanus platform, which can be configured in different excitation wavelengths, 532, 785 nanometer, as well as what's very popular now is 1064, which is very unique, and as far as I know, none of our competitors have that.
So in terms of drug analysis, what does 1064 mean? Get a little bit more technical with this.
Yeah, 1064 is a longer wavelength, and it allows you to move into an area that overcomes the fluorescence that's seen at the lower wavelengths. So in many pharmaceutical samples, probably what we're hearing, 30 to 40% of the samples will exhibit some type of fluorescence, so it makes it very difficult to identify what the substance is. With our 1064, that goes away entirely. So it's really a game changer and very enabling.
So you're talking about a wider variety of substances that you're able to identify. Tell us a little bit about the handheld device as well.
Maybe one more thing about that is, we're able, we like to talk about real-world samples. So in many cases, the instruments are being used to monitor or to detect counterfeits, and that typically has a cut-up substance or a different coloration on it, and those have a high tendency to fluoresce. So for counterfeit detection for real-world samples, this is ideal. And this also goes into explosives, IED, HME detection, food safety, and there's many other applications for this now. So one new model that we have out today is that's just been introduced in this last year is called the First Guard. This is it's fully enclosed, injection molded design. It has a single trigger for the excitation, so you can control the instrument just with one hand. We have some nice features with this based on our customer feedback. You can do direct sampling out of the tip, or you can use this integrated vial holder. It's just spring-loaded, and you can just drop in the sample and then take a measurement and go back. Our design is also very high performance. So we have a very high power laser. It goes up to 500 milliwatts, which is higher than the competition's offering. We also have cooling on this engine. So we cool this down to minus 20 degrees C. So the net benefit is you have much greater sensitivity on the samples you're measuring.
So it seems like sensitivity, performance, broader capability, those are the kinds of things that you're talking to customers about.
Absolutely, yep. It's been very well received. Both the injection molded version as well as the flexible mini platform, what we call the Sanus. And we're going to be offering a 1064 in this molding as well. So it's really going to be a game changer out there.
Eric, thanks so much. Really appreciate it.
Okay, thank you very much, Paul.